All right, so this is what I've already gotten this morning. 2 canaries nests, 1 society finch nest. Yeah, but look what happens here. We got ourselves a Goulden. His name is Red. And if you look at him, he's ready to fight me. Look at him, his little mouth's open. He's gonna take me on. He's like, I'm not getting off. Oh, look at his little mouth. He's like, he's a big, fuck you, don't you be taking my eggs. Oh my goodness. I'll come back to you. By the way, that's Red. Look at his head. He's mighty pretty. But then I have to go up to this nest. Oh no, who's, ah! Okay, that was Blue. Okay, and Blue has eggs also. Oh my goodness. It's just a breeding factory here. I don't know what to tell you.